In our first section, we're going to be learning the user interface. We're just going to be getting to know Blender and try and just kind of make it a little less scary looking. And we're going to be using my favorite object, which is the Suzanne model, to kind of learn the basics of editing, moving your windows around, what all the different windows do, and you will have your first 3D designed object by the end of this section. Let's go ahead and jump on in it. All right, so this is the end of the user interface section. Hopefully you've got your 3D printed Suzannes, and let me know in the comments below if you had any issues. But share these things if you did some really cool effects. Like I really like this one. This is the Voronoi kind of style we did with the subsurf and wireframe. And so if you make something cool, just hashtag it with print that thing so I can find it. And it'll just warm my heart to see y'all learning and growing and becoming 3D print designers. So let's go ahead and jump into the next section where we'll keep on designing. In this section, we're going to be learning box modeling. It's super basic, super beginner, but we're going to learn how to make a door wedge, but instead of just a normal wedge, it's going to be a wedge of cheese. So let's go ahead and jump in and start making our door wedge. Now you have a slice of cheese that you can wedge under your door. So hopefully you learned a lot about box modeling and the basics of subtraction booleans. I would love to see your crazy door wedge, whatever kind of shapes that you make. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the next section and keep designing.